Comparing high-quality rice cookers, Zojirushi versus competitors. When selecting a high-quality rice cooker, the Zojirushi NS-ZCC10 5.5 cup Neuro Fuzzy rice cooker stands out for its advanced technology and reliable performance. To illustrate its advantages, let's compare it with two competitors available on Amazon, the Zojirushi NS-ZCC10 MyCom rice cooker and the Cuckoo CR0631F 6-cup MyCom rice cooker. Zojirushi NS-ZCC10 MyCom rice cooker. Pros: versatility, equipped with multiple menu settings, including white sushi, mixed porridge, sweet brown cake, steam, and quick cooking, allowing users to prepare a variety of dishes beyond just rice. Steamer functionality includes a steaming basket enabling simultaneous cooking of rice and steaming of vegetables or proteins, enhancing meal preparation efficiency. User-friendly design features an easy-to-read LCD control panel with a clock and delay timer, providing convenience for timed cooking. Made in China, some users prefer appliances manufactured in Japan, associating them with higher quality standards. Lack of advanced fuzzy logic utilizes standard MyCom microcomputer technology, which may not adjust cooking parameters as precisely as Neuro Fuzzy logic. Cuckoo CR0631F 6-cup MyCom rice cooker. Pros: compact size, ideal for small families or individuals, with a 6-cup capacity suitable for daily use without occupying much kitchen space. Fuzzy logic technology employs advanced fuzzy logic to adjust cooking times and temperatures, ensuring well-cooked rice across various types. Auto clean function features an automatic cleaning program, simplifying maintenance and ensuring hygiene. Limited capacity may not be suitable for larger families or gatherings due to its smaller size. Design preferences: the aesthetic design, including color options like pink, may not appeal to all users. Zojirushi NS-ZCC10 5.5 cup Neuro Fuzzy rice cooker. Pros: Neuro Fuzzy logic technology incorporates advanced Neuro Fuzzy logic, allowing the cooker to make precise adjustments to temperature and cooking time, resulting in consistently perfect rice. Made in Japan, manufactured in Japan, reflecting high-quality craftsmanship and attention to detail. Spherical heating system features a spherical inner cooking pan and heating system, ensuring even heat distribution for optimal cooking results. Stay cool side handles, designed with convenient handles on the inner pot, allowing safe and easy handling without the need for mitts. Cons: higher price point, priced higher than some competitors, which may be a consideration for budget-conscious consumers. Larger footprint. Its size may require more counter space, which could be a limitation in smaller kitchens. Conclusion: while the Zojirushi NS-ZCC10 and Cuckoo CR0631F offer notable features, the Zojirushi NS-ZCC10 5.5 cup Neuro Fuzzy rice cooker distinguishes itself with its advanced Neuro Fuzzy logic technology, Japanese manufacturing quality, and user-friendly design. For those seeking a reliable and precise rice cooking experience, the Zojirushi NS-ZCC10 presents an excellent choice.